Hi, sweetie. How are you? You're good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to go see Yaya and Papu?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
What does your shirt say? Does it say Daddy's girl?
Like bear.
Yeah.
Daddy's car.
You're my princess? Hey? Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. Can you blow me a kiss? Mwah. Monkey.
I guess, guys.